In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a block item on Squarespace, streamlining your site's layout for a cleaner, more focused design. Whether you're rearranging elements for a temporary promotion or simply decluttering your website, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, let's start by navigating to your website's section, where the block you wish to hide is located. It's important to ensure you're in the right area of your site. This will save you time and help you maintain a smooth workflow. As you're moving through your site, take a moment to hover over the section. This will prompt a Layers button to appear in the top left corner. It might seem a bit tucked away, but once you see it, you'll recognize it as a handy tool to visualize all the content blocks in that particular section. With the Layers button visible, it's time to give it a click. This action will bring up a display of all the blocks that are currently present in the section you're working on. Think of this view as your control panel. It lays out all the building blocks of your section, allowing you to manage each one individually. As you hover over any block in this view, pay attention to the icons that appear. Specifically, you're looking for an icon that resembles an eye. This eye icon is integral for hiding your block. Once you have identified and hovered over the block you want to hide, go ahead and click on the eye icon. It's like flipping a switch. The block will no longer be visible, although it's still accessible if you decide to bring it back later. This feature is particularly useful if you're tinkering with different designs and need certain elements out of sight while you experiment with alternative arrangements. And just like that, you're finished. Isn't it satisfying to see how easily and efficiently you can make such impactful changes to your site's layout? By knowing how to hide a block item, you can have greater control over your website's appearance and functionality. Whether you're launching a new product, refreshing your site's design for a different season, or just simplifying the interface for better user navigation, being able to hide blocks without permanently deleting them provides great flexibility. As you wrap up, remember, this process doesn't just hide blocks. It empowers you with options, keeping your website adaptable and ready for any updates you wish to apply in the future. You'll find that having the ability to quickly hide or reveal content can significantly enhance your web management skills, leading to a more organized and visually appealing site. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out the other resources for more tips and tricks. Happy designing!